Hello my creative and artistic friends, Olga Soby here and welcome to a new acrylic pouring video. Today I want to do something super bright and vivid. I want to do the Dutch pour blowout on a blue color split base with explosion of orange, gold and yellow. So there you go. As you can see, I'm in the mood for some complementary colors. And these colors always create a super vivid contrast together, but at the same time, they're pretty tricky to work with. So let's see how that's gonna turn out. And also check out what I got. Here I got my Level Up stands by Molly's Artistry. And I'm gonna be using these today to elevate my panel off the table. They're very durable, very sturdy, so I'm very excited to start using them. Thank you so much, Molly. And in case you also want to check them out, I will include the link in the description. And as you know, myself, together with Molly from Molly's Artistry and Rince Cardona have created the ultimate acrylic pouring course together. And right now we are offering a coupon for $15 off, and it will also be included in the description in case you want to check it out. And with that being said, let's get started with today's pour. Alright, today I'm working on 16 by 16 cradled wood panel, and I want to create sort of a wave motion between colors of my base. Something like this. And this color here is ultramarine blue, and all the colors that I'm using today are mixed with water only, no pouring medium or other additives. Imagination is a secret message for today's pour painting. Next, I want to add some violet just right over my ultramarine to add some depth in this section. And this color here is a mix of white and ultramarine blue, also with a touch of violet. The base is done, let's add colors. So first I'm adding some titanium white. And next is violet. Now I add some orange. I'm trying most of it to be over the violet. Next is yellow. And some gold. I feel like I also want to add some red violet for more contrast. And some of these colors will overmix, of course, during the blowout, but as long as most of it, and especially the center, stays bright and vivid, that should be good. Alright, this is plenty of color, and now let's do the blowout. you know what? This is not good. It really didn't work out the way I wanted. And the colors are great. I really like the colors, but the composition is it's just not good. So I think what I'm gonna do now, I am gonna use all this paint as a base because I don't want to waste all these beautiful colors. So I'm gonna create a new puddle of paint right here, just over these colors, and blow it out again and see how that's gonna work. Okay, now we're talking. I like it so much better. So now I just want to work on some details. Looks so much like flames, right? Flames under the water. I really like this explosion of orange and yellow and gold. Let me look from the top here. It always helps to get a better perspective on the composition and understand whether it's time to stop or should I keep going. And I think it's time to stop. I love it. This piece turned out to be super bright, expressive, and moving. And I hope this video teaches you one thing. If plan A didn't work, go for plan B or plan C and so on. Now let me show you some details. I love all these beautiful cells and details. This piece definitely has a story to tell. Things don't always work out from the first attempt, and that's okay. But it's your creative process and it's up to you to make it work. Hope to see you in the next video. It's going to be fun. It's going to be something new and exciting. So see you there. Take care and stay creative. Bye-bye.